Crash Course on South Carolina, USA. Geography: South Carolina is located in the southeastern United States, bordered by North Carolina to the north, Georgia to the southwest, and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Capital: Columbia. Population: approximately 5.2 million people. Economy: South Carolina's economy is diverse, with major industries including manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, and healthcare. It is known for its production of textiles, automobiles, chemicals, and tourism-related services. Education: the state is home to several renowned universities, including the University of South Carolina, Clemson University, and the Medical University of South Carolina. Brief history: South Carolina has a rich history, playing a significant role in the American Revolution and being the first state to secede from the Union before the American Civil War. Cultures and politics: South Carolina has a vibrant cultural heritage influenced by Native American, African American, and European traditions. Its political landscape has seen various shifts over the years, with both conservative and liberal influences. Interesting stories or examples. 1. Charleston's historic district, known for its well-preserved architecture and cobblestone streets. Charleston's historic district showcases the state's colonial past. 2. Gullah Geechee culture. The Gullah Geechee people, descendants of West African slaves, have preserved their unique language, cuisine, and traditions in the Lowcountry region of South Carolina. 3. Fort Sumter. This historic fort in Charleston Harbor was the site of the first shots fired in the American Civil War. 4. The Angel Oak. Located on Johns Island, the Angel Oak is a massive live oak tree estimated to be over 400 years old. It is a cherished symbol of natural beauty and resilience. Top 12 attractions in South Carolina. 1. Myrtle Beach. 2. Charleston. 3. Hilton Head Island. 4. Congaree National Park. 5. Fort Sumter National Monument. 6. Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. 7. Riverbanks Zoo and Garden. 8. Pawleys Island. 9. Greenville. 10. Hunting Island State Park. 11. Brook Green Gardens. 12. Caesar's Head State Park. Summarize this writing. South Carolina, located in the southeastern United States, is a state with a diverse economy, rich history, and vibrant cultures. From the historic city of Charleston to the beautiful beaches of Myrtle Beach and Hilton Head Island, the state offers a wide range of attractions for visitors. With its picturesque landscapes, significant historical sites, and unique cultural heritage, South Carolina invites travelers to explore its charm and beauty. Poem about South Carolina. In South Carolina's gentle embrace, where history and beauty interlace. From coast to mountains, a scenic delight. A state that shines with southern might. Charleston's cobblestone streets unfold with stories of the past, so bold. The Angel Oak, majestic and grand, stands as a testament to nature's hand. Myrtle Beach's shores, kissed by the sea, where waves dance and laughter runs free. Hilton Head's allure, a paradise serene, a haven of tranquility, a beach lover's dream. From the Lowcountry's Gullah culture profound, to the vibrant cities that abound, South Carolina's heritage so diverse weaves a tapestry that only time can traverse. O South Carolina, land of charm, your beauty holds us in its arm. With every sunset, with every dawn, in our hearts, your spirit is forever drawn. Song about South Carolina. Verse 1. In South Carolina's land so fair, where sweet magnolias fill the air, from the Blue Ridge Mountains to the sandy shores, this state's beauty, our hearts adore. Chorus. O South Carolina, your spirit shines bright. From Charleston's grace to the starry night. With rivers and lakes and rolling hills. Your charm and grace, it truly thrills. Verse 2. In Myrtle Beach, the ocean's roar. We find adventure, we want for more. Hilton Head Island, a coastal retreat. Where relaxation and fun meet. Bridge. From the historic forts to plantations grand. South Carolina's history, we understand. With warm hospitality and southern pride. Our love for this state cannot hide. Chorus. O South Carolina, your spirit shines bright. From Charleston's grace to the starry night. With rivers and lakes and rolling hills. Your charm and grace, it truly thrills. Outrow. In South Carolina, our hearts will remain. Forever captured by your southern rain. O South Carolina, we sing for you. A state of beauty, forever true. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Insert Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.